Grocery haul. Okay guys, hello, good evening. I've got a couple grocery shopping hauls for you. This first one is from Costco. I just got it from Instacart. So we got some drumsticks, chicken thighs. I did order some skinless, boneless chicken thighs, but they didn't have any. So they replaced it with these chicken tenderloins. Focus that. And then some panko breaded shrimp, some hot dogs, just the normal beef dinner franks, some more chicken wings. This time it has the sweet chipotle barbecue sauce, which last time it was the buffalo sauce. We didn't even use the buffalo sauce, but these wings are so good. They come plain, and we made them in the air fryer last time. Then we got some re-upping on the goldfish, some frosted mini wheat cereal, and then some honey nut Cheerio cereal. And that is everything from Costco. And I totally forgot, we also got paper towels. Excuse me, baby. Okay, paper towels as well. So we get our paper towels from Costco too. That, with everything here, is $143.13. Okay, groceries are here.
Chips. Yay.
You're welcome.
Don't want to do that.
Come on. There you go. Grocery haul. Okay, so just got our last grocery haul in. This is from Fred Meyer, and this will be the last one for the night. So we got 3 packs of zesty Italian dressing seasoning, the mix, 2 packs of the 3-pound ground beef, 2 packs of the 1-pound ground beef, some bacon, a 3-pack of ribeye steak, Chips Ahoy, a 12-pack of that, some Nature Valley crunchy granola bars, Oreos, and some chocolate chip granola bars, 2 things of chicken stock, the Kroger brand, and some Rotel diced tomatoes with green chilies, some tomato paste, that's for chili, and then cornbread. The Just Add Water mix is my favorite one to buy, Marie Callender's. 4 things of coconut Too Good yogurt and 4 vanilla flavored. 1 pack of Colby Jack cheese, 1 pack of Havarti cheese. These are cheese slices. Some sugar-free chocolate pudding, sugar-free lemon lime jello, and then some sugar-free, right? Sugar-free? Yes. Sugar-free cherry jello. Some bananas, blueberries, strawberries. All of these chips, we are out of our big packs of chips. So some barbecue Lay's, I bought 2 bags of that, 1 bag of this cheddar and sour cream Ruffles, regular Doritos, and 2 packs of this Smart white cheddar popcorn, and then 1 bag of sour cream and onion. 1 loaf of Wonder Bread, some heavy whipping cream, 2 avocados. I ordered cocktail cucumbers, but they're out, so they substituted with 2 regular cucumbers. 1 bell pepper, that's for the chili. A pack of the mini sweet peppers. 2 bottles of no sugar added Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, that's for meatloaf. 2 cans of whipped cream. We go through whipped cream pretty fast here, especially for the sugar-free jello. I'm pretty excited about these 2 items. The sugar-free French vanilla syrup for coffee, and then also some grain-free coconut cashew keto granola. So for a third of a cup, there's 10 total carbs, minus 2 grams of fibers. So there is 8 net carbs for a third of a cup for granola. Keto granola clusters. I'm excited to have that inside of my, whenever I eat a yogurt. Re-upping on our favorite saimingi or ramen, which is the soy sauce flavored. So that is everything I got from Fred Meyer today. A little ASMR.
Yeah. Putting away the stuff. Stop eating, you'll put it away. The next one you can eat. ASMR doesn't mean eating. That's called muffins. Eating called muffins.
Well, you can do an eating ASMR.
Yeah, like ASMR.
Mukbangs is really,
Like just
you're like
eating.
talking and eating too.
Yeah. Talking
ASMR is
more
just
like-
strictly for the sound, right?
Like the satisfying satisfaction.
Satisfaction.
That's what I said.
Oh, this one's the wrong way.
That's what I said. That's why I like the ASMR. Because of the sound.
So right now we're just putting away all the groceries that I just showed you guys as part of our grocery haul. Faivale's doing our snacks right now. Let's see. Nice job, man. Oreos, granolas, and Chips Ahoy. And they're gonna go in here to our snack drawer, which is right underneath the island. So, okay, hold on, let me fix this. Faivale, make sure when you put everything in, the words are facing the same way, okay? Like this, come. So when you open anytime you look at something, you see how all of these, they're all facing the same?
Yeah.
It's to where you can read it instead of like it's upside down and then, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, so put them all in the same direction, okay? There we go. So, Chips Ahoy, thank you, baby. He did this one. Good. Perfect. Chips Ahoy, granola bar. We will rearrange our Oreo one. There we go. Thank you, baby. Good job. Any more?
No, I'm doing this one.
Okay. The Nature Valley bars.
Remember for Halloween and the fall trick or treat, they got those spikes. They're so cute.
I know.
Oh, man.
Faivale is now putting the Nature Valley bars in. Oops, wrong way. There you go. Good job. All right, thank you, sir.
Yep.
All right, last thing for our snack drawer. Okay, so there goes our snack drawers. Now fully stocked. Some Chips Ahoy cookies, Quaker chewy granolas, some Oreos, crunchy granolas, popcorn bags, some keto trail mix, and then some almonds. All right. Say hi, Vale.
Hi.
Me and Vale are going to show you how to make some baked chicken using breadcrumbs and some seasonings. So here are the ingredients that you're gonna need. Your chicken, of course, we're gonna use some drumsticks, 2 cups of breadcrumbs, preferably the kind that is Italian style, so it's got some extra flavoring in it. 1 packet of Italian salad dressing mix, a tablespoon of Lari salt, a tablespoon of garlic powder, tablespoon of onion powder, or we don't have onion powder, so I'm using my onion salt from Trader Joe's, and a teaspoon of black pepper. That's what we're gonna mix up to dip the chicken in and then throw it in the oven. First, Vale is going to preheat our oven. So come over here and preheat our oven, baby.
Yep.
You're gonna press bake. Perfect. Bake, and then to 425. Oh.
Wait, 25?
Yep. Perfect. So then you hit start so it can preheat. All right, so preheat your oven at 425. Cups of breadcrumbs. There you go. You can hold that now so and I'll dump it in. Put it in. Hold it. Okay, 2 full cups of breadcrumbs. Go ahead and open this up. Put that in there. Your Italian seasoning. I'll start measuring out your tablespoons.
The whole thing?
Yep. This is your trash bowl. That's 1 tablespoon of your onion, salt. Let's see what you got in there so far. Okay. Okay, go ahead with your garlic powder. And then he's got his Lowry's. Nice. And final one is the 1 teaspoon of pepper. Go ahead, and then you're gonna use a fork to mix up all your spices. Good job, Bobby. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse up your chicken so we can start dipping that, okay?
Yep.
2 spoons for your chicken. I'm gonna rinse these off for you real quick. Okay, so the chicken is here already. I wanted to show you guys that I've already poked like a hole through the chicken, like that. So I just take a knife and you try to find where the meat and the bone are, and you just poke it like that. Makes it easier to cook chicken. It cooks a little faster. So you're gonna hold it by the bottom, and you dip it into the mix, and you just put it onto the chicken like that. You can roll it around. Once you're done, excuse me, you place it onto the sheet, okay?
Yep.
When you place the next one, you're gonna place the next one alternating like that, okay?
Yeah.
Good job. Yep, so you just do that for all the chickens. And then you can dip it into the mix. There you go. Perfect. Huh?
Don't cover anything.
Yeah. Here, put it down more. You have some parts. Flip it over. Some parts are not as covered. See that part? So you just... What's easier for me is I just cover it all and then I shake it off. There you go. Perfect. Nice. All right. So Vala's gonna go ahead and do that to all of these chickens, and then we'll get ready to put them in the oven. Okay, how's it going?
Good.
It's fun. Looks good. It's fun. Looks good, Vala. Good job. Right. Last one.
Chicken.
Nice. Good job. Thank you. Okay, go ahead and wash your hands. Good job. All right, so these are all done. Faivale dipped them all into our breadcrumb mix. I've got 2 sheet pans on top of some parchment paper. It's gonna go in the oven. Molly, can you open the oven, please?
Yep.
Which is preheated already at 425. Thank you. Go ahead and give me the other one. So you can put that in there. Okay, so these are going to bake at 425 for 40 minutes. Okay, so it has been 40 minutes and I've taken out the chicken. It looks so good and yummy. This is what is for dinner tonight. Yum.